wearing impromptu extemporaneous number. I'm not sure which number we're up to. Standing in front of the C46. Chris is probably going to need to step back or pan out or do whatever she needs to do with the camera to get this larger airplane into frame so that you can see it. One of the things that I like about this era of aviation, not only was it a little bit more of a primitive nature, and again, seeing that scale and that context and seeing everything that's sitting around you, you can look at the C46 and then what was really a huge bomber, Chris will just spin around just 1 second, the B-29. This is a very special silver plate edition of a B-29, but panning back around, you can just kind of see them side by side, the scale, but also understand that this C46 type of airplane is still flying around the world. Very small numbers. The only thing that limits them really is the availability of replacement parts. They aren't making so many of those anymore. They're what was made in mass during the war or briefly after the war and sitting in warehouses. They've depleted that. You cannot break these airplanes. That's what I like so much about them. You can crash them until they're ruined. You can wear them out and no longer get spare parts, but you can't break them. There are planes like this that have had gear collapse. They simply fix it and in a few weeks they're airworthy and flying again. You can't do that with the modern airplanes. You bend them and break them, they're done. They reach a certain point of a number of hours that they've been used, they're worn out. Especially pressurized airplanes, you can't fly them anymore. These things, as long as you get spare parts, they would still be around. You know, we're looking at 80 years plus on a model like this still flying.